one, I will drink Coca-Cola. Nanay, here's the Coca-Cola. That is Nanay drinking. Titirahin ni Nanay ako ng Coca-Cola. I love Coca-Cola. So, later, I will just ask you if Nanay is done. I mean, if Nanay is tirahan ni Coca-Cola. Okay, I'll just tell you bye. Guys, we're back. Kay Nanay tirahan to me Coca-Cola. Amoy sago nga. But it's yummy.
Rice, please.
Good.
Number 2 guys, sir.
That was so good.
Ano?
Yummy.
Uminom pa ang water na. Uwi na tayo.
Bye-bye guys. See you on the taxi. Mwah.